What's up, everybody? I have a 15-inch Mosiso case for the 2015 old school MacBook Pro we're going to be checking out today. Alright, so I know this seems like an old product to be reviewing or doing reviews for, but I have this old 2015 MacBook Pro that I kind of brought back from the grave. It needed a battery, needed RAM, needed a couple other things, but works pretty good. And on top of that, it's got tons of ports on it. It's an i7, so it's totally worth keeping around, and I wanted to protect it a little bit. So you might have seen my other review. I'll put a link in there for the 2016 version of that laptop, but this is pretty much the same thing. So we have plastic hard case only compatible with previous generation MacBook Pro Retina 15-inch A1398. So let's get into this thing. Nothing really with the packaging here. I wonder if this one comes with a keyboard cover as well. So much noise. Okay, so the packaging is pretty straightforward. Nothing really to write home about. Gonna cut this bad boy open. Check it out. So basically, you slide the laptop into the bottom part, snap around the edges. Same thing with the top part. You slide it into it and snap around the top. Comes in different colors. They sell sleeves and keyboard protectors and all that stuff. This one did not come with a keyboard protector. That's fine because I probably won't use it anyway. Let's try it on. So much plastic. All right. So right out of the gate, I like that they have the rubber feet installed. On the other Mosiso case I looked at, you had to cut out some styrofoam jobbies to get that thing in there. Comes with some extra ones too. Pretty cool. Take our laptop, and again, so this is the back, the front's over here, and the back part's over there. Slide it in. Click the front. The back's already lined up well there. The sides are good. Let's make sure it's not going to come out. Slide it on from the back. So yeah, that went on pretty easily. The black looks good. Their case fits pretty tight. One more snap there to get. Nothing really crazy to show here. I like that it snaps on the opposite side of the hinges, or away from the hinges, so that it doesn't interfere with that. These snap underneath nice and tight. A little ventilation, not that there's any vents down there to take advantage of that. All your ports are accessible. Same on the opposite side here. Got access to your charging, your USB, your Thunderbolt. So I double checked the instructions and it's on there correctly, but if you look in the corners here where the lip comes over, when you open it and you go full extension, it touches the body a little bit, so it makes a little bit of a noise. It makes a little bit of noise, you can hear. But I don't think it's a big deal. Especially for an old beater laptop like this, it should do perfectly fine. So yeah, for 20 bucks on Amazon, can't go wrong. Add a little protection to the case. Keep it nice and safe from getting any more damage. This thing was pretty beat up when I got it. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking this out with me today. If you're new to the channel, check out some more videos. I really appreciate the subscription. I'm trying to get to 1,000 as quick as possible. Every one of you guys helps out tremendously. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If not, that thumbs down works as well. I'm doing very jerky hand gestures here. I don't know why. Thanks for stopping by. Peace.